Hi guys, welcome to makemoneyv.com YouTube videos, a website where you learn how to make money fast and easy. Makemoneyv.com is a blogging website. So I found out builderall.com very interesting, and I'm using for my affiliate marketing products, and it come with, I think, all the tools you need to run and build your online business. Tools like uh, page builder, autoresponder, and even graphics design of builder. It is full of I think it is full of all the tools, and it is little bit even confusing. So I don't think so you will use all the tools you find in Builderall. So you can see this as here it is auto post. You can social media uh, management tool. You can auto post on social media, Facebook chatbot, and Sherlock e-learning. I think it is very newbie friendly if you are newbie and looking forward to start your business or build a landing page sales funnel for your whatever you are selling. So in this videos I'm going to show you how to get a free trial Builderall account and what Builderall is. So right now I'm on dashboard of Builderall, and I just sign up, and I will give you in the a link. This is the articles I just wrote, and I'm going to share with you what Builderall is. So first of all, on Builderall you can build a landing page, even complete website, and you will get a feature like building complete website. Here you can use my website section, and other is mailbox autoresponder. You can set up email marketing autoresponder for each time whenever new leads come into your account, and autoresponder will send email to your subscriber. So this is very important in online marketing. Design tools where you design graphics design, things like that. Even they have video tools where you can use animate your videos, and HTML video player, like you can embed your video on any of your website. You don't need to I mean, if you choose Builderall, you do not need any other SaaS service as a software, any other tools. They have all kinds of tools. I think that's one of the advantage about Builderall. And second thing is they have very attractive plan, very low cost, and they also allow 7-day free trial with their software. So in their home page there is nothing mentioned here on 7-day free trial, but I will give you link to sign up which will get you 7-day free trial. So their HTML page is also very easy to use, and I just modified one of their template. It's need work to update the content, which is only dummy content right now. So this is their Builderall homepage. As you can see, there is nothing called 7-day free trial. So free trial is available with a unique link which you will get on this page. So after sign up to unique link, you will follow to this office.builderall.com, and you will be redirected to the dashboard of Builderall. So that is very easy to sign up, and you can explore all of their tools. You have got 7 days to test, and after that they will you don't even need any debit card or credit card to sign up for 7-day free trial. They will close your account, I think don't access give you don't access to your account after when your subscription is ended, free trial is ended, like after 7 days. So you have to upgrade and pay money to get access after 7 days. So that is it. I hope I have answered your question. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.